Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the euro fall 0.8% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the euro fall 0.8% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The pound fell 0.5% against the dollar in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair dove 1.1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
World stocks and oil prices fell as fresh COVID-19 curbs in China fueled worries over the global economic outlook. The safe haven dollar rallied, while the US Treasury yield curve remained deeply inverted, in a sign that investors remain alert to global recession risks. A US court has approved collapsed crypto lender Celsius's request to set a deadline for customers to file proofs of claim in the ongoing bankruptcy proceedings. Celsius's motion, approved by US Bankruptcy Court of the Southern District of New York last week, requires customers to submit proofs of claim on or before January 3, 2023. Amazon has announced investments in 199 renewable energy projects across the United States. Once all these projects are operational, they are expected to generate 32,740 gigawatt-hours of renewable energy each year, or the equivalent amount of power needed for 3 million US homes.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Redbook Index will be released at 13:55 GMT. The US API weekly crude oil stock at 23:30 GMT. The Eurozone's consumer confidence at 1500 hours GMT. The Eurozone's current account will be released at 0900 hours GMT. The Belgian Consumer Confidence Index at 1000 hours GMT. The UK's public sector net borrowing at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.